New iPads are here! Well, iPad, I only bought one because they're bloody expensive. I was actually expecting this tomorrow because that's what the UPS delivery thing on the website said, but I got it today, which is great. I also wiped everything down with Clorox wipes before actually doing anything. A little weird, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. Best part about these boxes is that it goes, just kind of like lifts it up slightly, so it just makes it easier to pull out. Pretty cool. It really is all about the small things, I think. I bought the big one. I've never had the big one. I feel like the big one is going to be something different, a beast, I guess, of a thing. Now, I was a little sad to see that it has a little ticky, so I guess I don't need my detaping tool. Though I still might use it anyways because I have it out. We're just gonna quickly just knife it just a little bit, just because I can. I have it out. This is dangerous. I'm gonna put it back down here, and if you guys are wondering where Monty is, he's hiding down there, taking a nap. He has a part to play, don't worry, don't worry. So, we're gonna pull this apart. And look, it's another Apple product. What do we have in the box? We've got, oh, remember this? It's a fast charger. And remember what I said last time I did an iPad unboxing? That this was going to be the charger that we would get in the new iPhones. Pretty sure I'm right. Actually, I know I'm right. USB-C cables. Is there anything else? Do they still include stickers? Yes, they do. The weird thing is the case that I ordered is coming 2 days from now. So I just got a regular smart keyboard case. The actual case with the trackpad hasn't come out yet. The next thing I'm gonna do is actually try to hook up some of the keyboards that I have kicking around, and we're gonna see how well it works, because when I got the original iPad, I don't actually have it in my office. I've got one of the original OG iPads, and this is back in 2009, I think, 2010. So I took it into like this meeting, and we were doing this presentation. I was like showing it, and people were just like, it's the iPad. And this guy from work, he was like the IT guy, and he's just like the tech guy. And he was just like, yeah, it's a cool product, but you know, I'm only gonna get it when it comes out with a mouse and a trackpad. A mouse and a keyboard, sorry. And so at that time I was like, you do realize that this is a touch device. It kind of defeats the purpose to have a mouse. And so, well, 10 years later, here we are. So I'm kind of eating my own, you know, arrogant words, I guess. So nothing really special in this. Oh, Shaz. So we'll take a look at this. Oh, that's so big. I'm curious to know if this will work with a smaller one. I will be doing a camera test. I am curious to know. Oh, man. That is so many bumps. It's like a bump, and then a bump, and then another bump. Smart keyboard might work. I don't know. Let's see. It's just like one smooth bump. It was like the iPhone XR bump. But this, we've got bump upon bump upon bump. And I guess it doesn't really look like it's that much higher than that one, but there's like 2 layers to it. I wonder how that compares against the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Now, doing a Rinky Fusion case review, I didn't want to, but I haven't done one in years, so that's coming out next few days. It seems a bit more pronounced on the iPad, and I'm wondering if that's because of the LiDAR. You guys, it's kind of funny with the LiDAR, because the first thing that comes to LiDAR for me is that is actually my background. My background is in geomatics engineering, and so live 3D scanning was a big thing back in the day, and still a big thing now, but it was brand new when I was first in the industry, like 2004, a long time ago. All right, well, plastic comes off. Oh, that is such a big screen. That is so big. Like, I love the new iPad. Like this iPad Pro that I got, the 2018 version, one with the screen protector, half screen protector on it, testing it. I love the form factor of this product. The straight edges, this is just so, it is so great. This feels pretty good right now. But let's fire it up. Like I love that thin edge. Honestly, like I play a lot of Call of Duty Mobile on my iPad, and I can go for hours with this. And as a tip, why isn't this turning on? Do I have to do something special? Oh, there we go. As a tip, if you like playing first-person shooters like that, play it on an iPad, because it's way better. Hola. English. Canada. Quick start. Sure. Bring your current iPhone or iPad near this iPad, sign in and set up. I love how quickly you can set new devices up. Like, just so great. Terms and condition. Does anybody ever read this? Welcome to iPad. Oh, man. I do not get that excited about new Apple products. Like, I think the last time I was this excited was when they came out with the plus-sized iPhones, which was back in the iPhone 6s, right? Like, having that bigger screen, like I like the bigger screen form factor, but this looks amazing. Like I can't. Oh wow. It's got a fuller sound to it. Oh, that does sound better. So my camera actually stopped recording, so I have no idea how much footage I actually have. Lost 2 games of Call of Duty on my brand new iPad, or 1 game on each one of my iPads. Gonna tweak the settings, maybe play a couple more games. Gonna go exercise, and then I'm gonna go play around with the mouse and the keyboard. See how well that works.